may iba na din akong priority, tas iba na rin yung mindset natin. So, ini-enjoy mo kung anong meron, tas you make the most out of it. So, yun ang parang other side of the coin. Kumbaga, ikaw ba? Matagal-tagal ka na rin dito.
Yeah, totoo yan. For me, I really miss the food sometimes. Like yung lechon. Pero it's also good na I don't have it kasi hindi mo ganun ka-healthy yun. Yeah, food is number one. I think because you grow up and then you have that memory that you're eating food in Christmas and then you see Christmas tree and you hear the kids singing outside, right? Yun yung memories mo na masaya.
Yeah.
You will not have here. So those are the moments I miss them, honestly, right? And I think it's not something that you have to be sad more. Like sometimes you can come back, you will have that experience, or you can even try it here. I don't know how they will respond to that, but yeah, I think it's just a really good memories, for me.
Yeah, and I think I think magandang i-acknowledge yun na 'di ba now we're allowed to go back into those good memories
Yes.
and appreciate that time kasi it's a time capsule in your mind, right? Like
Yeah.